Now, research gap converted into research model. Any research gap converted into research model once we have the possibility of at least three variables in any specified model. Now, in this example, by doing a systematic literature review, we are going to identify A has a relationship with B have a certain kind of possibility of relationship with C, and A doesn't have any form of relationship with C. So this may be considered as the research model, and this particular gap will be considered as the research gap. Now, what are the possible research hypotheses, research topics are going to be developed on the basis of said model? These are some of the possible research topics or thesis topics on which we are going to develop on the basis of certain identified research gaps. So, hypothesis first. A and B as the predictor of C. Another hypothesis, mediating role of B between A and C. Does B mediate the relationship between A and C? Relationship understanding between A, B and C. Mediated role of B between A and C, a study of Indian organizations. Moderating effect of B between A and C, an Indian culture perspective. Does B moderate the relationship between A and C in selected organization in Indian context? So these are the possible hypotheses we are going to develop on the basis of these specific research model, which are going to be identified by doing a systematic review of literature. It is another research gap. It means A has a relationship with B have a relationship with C, but A doesn't have any form of relationship with D, and C doesn't have any form of relationship with D. There may be the possibility that B has certain kind of relationship with D. So, considering this particular model framework, it exactly reveals that A have the relationship with B have relationship with C doesn't have any relationship with D, A doesn't have any relationship with D, B have possibility of relationship with D. So we are wanting to investigate this particular research model, and there will be the research gap because there will be no such relationship with A and D and C and D in any of the study which has been conducted there in the past. So this is the well proven research gap.